Yo, they're back for episode two. Yeah, I know. Right, just gotta mix it up somehow. It's the engine mounts, man. I don't even want to talk about it. Let's talk about enough here and all the stuff I'm gonna do after the engine mounts go in, but let's just roll with it.
Where to, what to believe in, where to really so. Where to, not to deceive in, we don't take control. Believe what you read or what you see, but you don't really know. Believe what you want, but don't deceive in, you won't take control. As if I need to turn on that TV, I don't even need to know the reasons. Life's not meant to be misinformed and confused. Know the line, real time. You'll learn how to toe the line. Vicious lies, learning to realize you've been sold. Your mind is now in their control.
It's been a day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? So as expected, this rear engine mount is a right pain in the fucking ass. That's just hanging in there. This one's kind of the one I'm trying to wangle. There's just no space in there. That's just plain and simple. We had this problem when we were taking it out. That power steering rack just doesn't let you get it in there. I mean, this whole problem would be solved if we took that mount out. But let's have a look where we're at. We got it, nearly. We got it nearly, but we still got some pretty precise surgery to fucking finish. So, that's the torch. That's awesome. What can we see in here? Not much. Where's my angle that I was on? You can't really see. I've got this crossy part back in. The bolt is just sitting there, so it's got a little bit of wiggle room maybe. Yeah, in the back here, we still can't see. You come back further. There we are. There's the engine mount. And the problem being that that bracket there won't come out. Like there's the actual mount. That's the piece we're trying to put in, which is just sitting in there loose. I've got to be careful under here because it's freaking all hanging precariously. I'm just trying to get you a taste of it. But, you know, that bracket that was on the side of the gearbox, if we could have got that off, that would be all our problems solved and this would just be easy peasy. But I can't get the camera in here anywhere. That's no good. I'll show the torch. I can't, just can't do it. It's terrible photography. What are we seeing there? Just the fucking, where the bloody thing goes. What about this way? In here. Can't even get a video of it. That's how good this is. Oh, here we go. Right, so that engine mount is just sitting there like that. If I can get a hand here and hold this. And just don't muck this up, man. Don't muck it up. You can see that's still just flopping around in there, but it is lined up. I can't get it. You can see that power steering rack's right there. I can't get it in there. I can't get it up to the hole to lock it in there. So I've just got to try and squeeze the engine, because the engine's not in the right spot. Obviously, it's lifted up. I've just got to drop it down a little bit, get that on there. But then the alignment here is out. I actually got it, when I first got it in, I thought I got it in wrong. And I just can't get any angles here. What's this? Yeah, so, like, I don't know, just imagine there's the engine mount, where it is, yep. And probably about there is where it's got to go, because this doesn't line up here anywhere. Who knows what we can see here? It's probably just garbage. Sorry about that, but we persist. And my God, this just I wish I didn't remember how I got this out, but man, Man, oh man, is that you there? Yeah. So yeah, we just got to get that down. Hopefully as we drop it down, it slides it across, but what I don't want to happen is that to fucking fall back out again, because that's just going to suck, and I've got nothing I can really brace it in there with, and I don't really want to stick any shit in there. It's just going to get stuck in there. You may not even hear anything, see anything, but I might even try to get a gander at it from the top quickly. I just got to win this battle now. Get this battle won. We can't see much in there. I don't know if we can see anything in there. Add some commentary later, maybe. Yeah, that's like, anyway, we're done here. We're gonna get it done. We're going again. We're going, blah, 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 blah. Oh man, this is worse than getting the gearbox in and out, eh? This rear engine out, it stuffed me for a day before, and I'm just gonna go and have a rest for a minute, because I really want to get this in tonight so I don't have any more bullshit. You know, it's like bullshit. That's fucking loose. Let's just tighten that off so I can fucking leave it. Yeah, it's like the engine is sitting too far this way, and I cannot get. I've got the engine mount in there. That was ridiculously bullshit, but it happened in the end. And then I got it in there, and I thought I've put it in the wrong way, because I looked where the bolt holes were, and then I was like, oh no. And then I dicked around for another 5 minutes trying to put it in the wrong way. And then I realised that I did have it in the right way, because once I put this piece, I've taken this bit out again, which I should be able to get this in out afterwards, because there's a bolt that I tapped out that's got to go under that, not through it. So, because when I got it nearly lined up, and there's no hole for that bolt to go through, so I stuffed it up there. So it kind of goes cross member, engine. I can't show it, but yeah. So cross member is this, then the engine mounts here, and then half of it has just another piece, just that sits on. No, engine mount, and then the cross member just kind of sits on the edge of the bolt. Like, that's really great explanation. The visuals were just outstanding. Can't beat that stuff. So, yeah, we're swearing at it, we're cursing at it. I'm not getting under the car to have another look at it to show you, because you just don't see anything anyway. It's just doing my head in at the moment. So, if we don't get it done soon, we're just going to give up tonight, because it's getting too tough. It's been a tough day. But it's been like a good day. We got that in. But that's pretty much all we got. We got that in, and we got the starter motor in, and we just dicked around with some cables and cleaned a few things, and it's just, yeah, the day feels kind of wasted. I would have liked to have had this engine mount in hours ago, but hopefully this one and then this one just goes together. So, because we pulled this one back out so we can dick around with the motor, because couldn't have to adjust stuff, and yeah, the saga continues. Well, we learn from our mistakes. I went and had a breather, and let me tell you what, I learned something, because I've been dicking around here for ages again, and long story short, I guess, this fucking engine mount is in the wrong spot, in the wrong way. You're supposed to have the one bolt at the back. I went back and, this is a good reason to make these videos, is go back over things when you're not sure, and just clarify some stuff and review what you did, pull it apart. And yeah, definitely was in the other way, which I thought it went in before, so she got to come back out, which is shit, because it's hard to get out. And then I've got to try and figure out how to get it in the other way, and more dicking around. But let's persist. I'm getting tired, it's getting cold. It's not too late, it's only like 8:30, something like that. But just give this a little bit, and I don't know, I need some joy to get some motivation to push through, because I'd really like to have this engine mounted tonight. Get rid of this fucking brace. Sick of looking at it. It's done a good job, it's a good thing. Like, I'm happy with it, so that's all good. But yeah, this friggin' engine mount, man. Oh, all right, let's do it. It's been a day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? Been going for a bit. That fucking engine mount. It's in, and this one's in, and this one's in, and that fucking cross member beam's in, and like, man, I reckon. Righto, so camera died. Last video got cut short. It was good news, but because yeah, these engine mounts are in. The nut's not buckled down. I've got to get that nut in actually. Hopefully that goes straight in. Let's test her out. Where can I find it? Yeah, so set it over here. She's all good. She's all good. Righto. Which way it went through, I don't remember, but it shouldn't really matter. Hot dog, we have a wiener. Beautiful. That is just magical. I'll get that nut there. Just chuck that on. Just try and cross thread it so we can pull the tap and die out some more. Yeah. Where's my torch? Oh yeah, that's right, it's underneath. Where's my trolley? That's underneath too. We'll get at that. We'll get at that. We've got the engine mount in at the back. It went in, it went in. Yes. Torch in the way. Yeah, maybe. It's in there. Trust me. Gotta do up the bolts, but oh yeah, that's what's gonna get underneath because I've got to remember in the morning because I'm not doing it now. I haven't tied everything up. I've only really done them up a little bit. Those ones down there, and these are just kind of all finger tight, and hopefully I put the right nuts in the right spots. It's not dirty now, so I won't get dirty hands. That's good. Yeah, that's the situation there. That's good. I think the exhaust one goes in through there. And the bolt's on somewhere else as well. Up further, I think that should be pretty self-explanatory. I've twisted it around a couple of times. I think it's there. We'll find it. Yeah, get that torch, save the battery. Yeah. Oh, get out. Yeah, that's about it, I think. Just to finish off the last video, I was all pumped and stuff before, but yeah, I kind of chilled out and lost the vibe, so yeah, changed the mode of the video. Yeah, that's it. I wonder if this fit doesn't feel sticky anymore. Yeah, it still feels a bit sticky, might give it a bit more. Hopefully that's actually helping it and not hindering it. It's lubricant stuff, right? Whatever, I'll tie it still. Boy. Righto, that's it. Good night.